Broken garage door cable? An uneven door? That can't wait. Lincoln, Nebraska homeowners, you need to fix this. Don't let a small problem become a big headache. Time to call the experts at Titan Garage Doors Lincoln NE. We arrive fast, diagnose faster, and fix the fastest. Yep, it's the cable, but don't worry, we've got it. From broken cables to squeaky rollers, we've got your back. One garage door repair call and your garage troubles are history. Call 402-576-5771 and find out why we're the best in the game. Visit www.TitanGarageDoorsLincolnNE.com to learn more.